Mama wakwaba midin ede Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Dormaahene eye Nana Ajiman Bedu the second ena okase na edensem ena Dormaahene eka nensem okin na ne se oda eye His Excellency Nana Akufo Addo asiye papa afenso or appreciate His Excellency the waye ede amano na edenti ena Dormaahene eka ensem we nyina nti a oka se nyina ne se o kire se eye Sunyane Airport His Excellency Nana Akufo Addo a complete ni unara ena fenso eye hospital bia ewo honom a enye complete His Excellency Nana Akufo Addo wa complete ede amano ne sante no order His Excellency Nana Akufo Addo asiye papa ordinance a enika bia ede emano na ensem we beto dwa no ena Ghana fu bi e kire se enti Dormaahene ne oba obeboa origin anasa ode ne mapa ebebro no ono ena esesa wo support na nye ne se oba onye hwema na emum no odo ne party into support no ena wo be campaign ede amano nti ensem we na Ghana fo ede etudwa e wa bra Dormaahene ede ensem we ebetudwa na abusuafo min kasa enche ni ti se ensem no esi ekod
apomodensemu na wohwe katafetu so mienu Dormaahene na ebo mampani Akufo Addo abaso waso hwe Sunyane Airport mampani Akufo Addo awie ama womani asopa eno achi nsoso no woma yare sabia na eno no Sunyane Regional Hospital nei womu pagya mu akwan no teaching hospital no wase eno so womani aso emrosomu a womu da woma se nemmom wase nko mampani hwe woma kwan a ewo Sunyane ne nimpotam akara ni bagye sansa kwan ne de enyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenye eno so de kanye publisher ediaba ewani mase asije media manti no da obokrata emusem ebaye na poso na.
As we speak, Utie, I say, as they pay NDC for it, they sweet as facts and kwa. Oh yes, we will let them learn. These guys, me see about force one for them to start speaking the truth. As we speak, what is the unemployment rate in Ghana? Still better than what John Dramani Mahama left. 2022, unemployment rate 3.87. 2023, as we speak now, they are expecting, say, by the end of 2023, unemployment would peak at a percentage point of 5. It is a Sami Jenfika will say unemployment rate was better under JM than ASA. Facts na mediacho. Medo Koyako 2008. Dear President Kufo Jama Omo Ansana. Unyame ya adumoa. Ochina me hotome ding. Na me ba. Ye the other indicators. Ebechireo. Na ye dia compare other countries. There was this publication I got that really caught my eye. It really caught my eye. Good, any? Okay. Sure. 2023 unemployment rate. As we speak, 4.8% in April 2023 for the third consecutive month. That year. These are the countries: Canada, France, Germany, and the United States. The unemployment rate here is higher than Ghana. Where's the next one? Yes, Yanko. In next one. This is the time. Mr. Dina, you could put the thing down for them to follow. We are comparing globally. One more unemployment at that 10.2. We can get countries such as Sweden, Norway, Czech Republic, Portugal, and Italy. Right now, they are doing an unemployment around 4.6, higher than what Ghana is doing. Okay? In the Euro area, the unemployment rate decreased slightly, reaching a new record low of 6.5% in April 2023. Okay? So, we have countries like Austria, Estonia, Finland, and Greece. with unemployment rate as high as 6.5. Outside of Europe, now let's look at Japan and others. They are doing 3.7, 3.4. 3.7, 3.4. Ghana is doing 3.8, 3.9. And you let this small boy who claims he's a lawyer but don't know anything to come and lie to you. Fact ni na media bano. Please, fellas, did you listen? Mad dog. Akufo Addo akojiske kodi na mahama akojiske kodi ye won mote parliament won na bu approve sa anya mane ne yakodi ntu be di atem but the fact is fact is fact. Yeah, bet tax new one about say bet tax but Canada ni be no so or no buy or no sebe his lottery was not taxed. Why Trudi wa one at America or US you send the lottery and tax no o me kan kire omo wa hiu mo please write it and tell me yanko because mo na mo sorry as I say Ghana yes say bruchiri you yate Ghana be yes say bruchiri for we ni ayete tax and US me pa to US for wa ha na omo nte tax for US UK they say they pay bet tax because I'm with Betway, so I know. UK omutia tax for bet winning so. Udie omutia tiemie. Me pa cho Italy for omo chacha omutia tax. What's it? Canada don't Canada taxes where? Chairman, mama trawa there. Dr. Drew, I'm telling you now, there is a tax on your winnings. Uko winning 649 and then utie uko winning 649 and then the dia. Answer the info sika ne mauno. You better to be free. You better to be answer the day. Sika check the do the man say you won 100 million. Now, who the future picture? But back door no, yeah. Yeah, you write it. The tax. Now, when the car said there's no taxes on betting, since when? There is. I know for a fact there is. Okay? Obi crowd is maybe information be a gua. Let's see. Dr. Drew, top 10 highest versus lowest gambling taxes around the world. Okay. Chairman Drew, the Nyame Gua. Okay. All the way South Africa. Thank you. Good. I like informations like this. Yes, you're absolutely right. Your federal and state taxes on it. Of course. Chairman Drew, and maybe I'm not minimum conform on my winning scar on my team. Minimum conform on my winning scar on my team. And we might sobre make us a sano. Okay, so now let's put everything aside. I say if you win above 5,000.